Hello, my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you the Louis Vuitton Beauté collection. I will first be giving you a quick overview of the collection, and then I'll share with you what I picked up from this lovely collection. So let's jump right into it, you guys. Now, y'all, I knew when I first saw this collection and the promo pictures for it, I knew instantly I was getting some items from this collection because number one, anybody who knows me knows I am a makeup girly through and through. And on top of that, number two, I have been collecting Louis Vuitton for over 30 years. So I definitely love the brand and the heritage. So it was a no-brainer for me. It was like the best of both worlds, being a beauty lover and a LV lover. And when they collided together, y'all, it was a match made in heaven. Okay, so let's talk about the collection. The collection has 55 lipsticks, 27 satins, and 28 mattes. The collection also features 10 lip balms. Each lip product is priced at $160 and the refills are $69. Now, I know it seems quite expensive. However, you are paying $91 one time for that beautiful reusable lipstick case. And then thereafter, you're paying $69 to refill the lipstick. So the packaging alone costs you that one-time fee of $91. And next in the collection, what I was most excited for was the eyeshadow quads. They have 8 beautiful eyeshadow quads at $250 and $92 for each refill. Therefore, you're paying a one-time fee of $158 for that gorgeous packaging. Also in the collection are a lot of beauty accessories and small leather goods. I can't wait to see what's next. Okay, so let's jump into what I picked up. And y'all, today I put on my black gloves, y'all, like the ladies in the boutique, because this is a special one, y'all. So I got my gloves on for you today. So first we have Louis Vuitton standard bag, but what's different about this one, instead of the handles, it has the bow tie, very similar to Chanel and Dior's beauty bags. In this bag, it looks like we have some samples, and samples are always such a nice added touch. This first sample is a LV Rouge lipstick sample. It has 4 sample shades in here. 3 mattes in Sensual Wave, Nude Necessaire, The Great Escape, and then 1 satin in Monogram Rouge. It also contains a little lip brush, and the lip brush has Louis Vuitton on it. Such a nice touch. Next, I have in here this little dust bag, which has 2 more samples in it, and these are 2 more lip samples. I think these were the ones that they were giving in the store in shade 200 and 102. Yeah, I think these were like the testers and the samples that they were giving away. So let's jump into the big bag now, which contains all the items I purchased. So here's the lovely bag again, and I picked up 4 makeup items from this collection so far. If I'm not mistaken, there's 3 lippies and 1 eyeshadow palette. But let's just see. Here are some envelopes I'm pulling out, and we'll get into those later. But the first item is a lipstick satin in shade 106 Dune Explorer. Now, I was on the fence about this item because y'all know I'm just not a lipstick girl. I love lip glosses and lip balms. But the packaging got me, y'all. So here's what it looks like. It has that sleeve similar to Hermes, and when you pull it out, it has the Louis Vuitton monograms all over the box, as you can see here. And when you open it, it has this gorgeous gold inside with that little Louis Vuitton flower at the bottom. But y'all, look at this packaging. It has that standard LV logo in the front, and you twist it around and has all the Louis Vuitton fleur-de-lis flowers. So gorgeous. And at the top of the lipstick, you see it peeking through with that flower again. You have Louis Vuitton information embossed at the bottom. And here's the color that I picked up. It is a beautiful pinkish nude color. This packaging feels so luxe. And because these are made to be refillable, when you pull it out, you see that flower at the bottom, which actually turns the lipstick. Etched on the side of the lipstick will be the shade information, and at the bottom you'll see the flower that locks the lipstick into place. Now, LV does state on the website you need a case in order to use the lipstick, but as you can see, I just twirled it up. You can give it a go with your finger if you need to. It takes a little time, but you can twist it back down. But if you don't want to be bothered with all that, just buy a case. Otherwise, you can just get a refill if you like. So, that was my first item. Next, I got the LV Balm. I got it in the 000 Infinite Dreamer. The outer packaging is the same, so it has that pull box again. It also has the Louis Vuitton monogram all over the box, as you see here. Again, when you open it, it has that gold interior, but what's different is the bullet is this beautiful cream and gold, different from the lipstick being that black and gold. So, look at this gorgeous packaging, you guys, again. This is the cream one. Everything else looks the same. You have that flower at the top with the balm peeking through, the stamping at the bottom again, and when you open it, there's the balm. I sure hope this is like my old Pat McGrath balm, being as though she is the face behind all of this. My next item is a refill. This is a refill balm in the shade 030 Tender Bliss. And it comes in this gold metal tube with a plastic cap on the top with that flower etched in the top. And I got it in this gorgeous sheer pink with sparkles. And as you can see, I'm twisting it without the case. I sure hope I like these since I got two. They smell good though. They smell like a spearmint gum, and I love mint. So that doesn't bother me at all. Okay, so that was the refill. So guys, my final item is the LV Ombres, the eyeshadow palette, y'all. I bet you can guess which one I got. Look at this lovely box again with the flowers on it. And the back is standard with all the ingredients. And y'all, I got number 951 Force of Nature. Y'all know I had to get that green palette. And again, we have LV etched all over the box, just like the lippies with the flowers on the side. And when you open it, oh my gosh, look at that. This is art for me, y'all. I had to have it. Look at this beautiful black and gold metal case. It's very substantial. There's the button right there that you push to refill it. Like I said, you guys, you pay the one-time price and you can just refill these shadows as needed. But what a collector's piece, you guys. I'm happy with just the packaging alone. Even if the products doesn't perform for me, I'm still happy with just purchasing the outer packaging, you guys. I'm a Louis Vuitton lover. I can't wait to see if maybe next they will put something in the monogram print, have some kind of special editions. But this color story is definitely my jam, and I can't wait to play around with it. This sort of reminds me of Gucci's old packaging, but much more luxe. The Louis Vuitton is much heavier and weightier, and you can refill it. So we have the envelopes here, and in the envelopes is a microfiber lipstick case, which has Louis Vuitton on the front, and then on the back it has embossed that flower. And the next one we have here is also a case, but this case is for the eyeshadow palette, which again has that Louis Vuitton on the front embossed. In the inside of this one, though, you have two makeup brushes on each side. Here are the brushes. You have Louis Vuitton written in gold. You have a blender and a shader brush. And here is what the lipstick looks like inside of the case. It is a bit tight, but it does fit in there perfectly. Now, I do have another one that I won't use for the white one because my CA advised me not to use it because it will put color transfer on that white casing. They are making a white case for this lip balm, but until you get those, don't use it. Now, because I'm a Louis Vuitton collector, I opted out of buying any of the accessories because I have tons of SLGs from Louis Vuitton that I can put these products in. So let's test it out. So here is my LV multicolor key pouch from that Murakami collection. Now in here, I'm sure I can fit at least one lipstick case in here. So let's see. Yep, it fits right down in there and it zips perfectly. So even though I have the chain inside, it went inside of there just fine. Now I want to try my round pouch I use for coins. Let's see if a lipstick fits in there. Doesn't look like it's gonna zip. It's right at the tip there. They did make a pouch just like this with brushes for the eyeshadow palette, but let me see if mine will fit and zip. It is tight. It's tight, but the one they made is wider. It does zip, but again, you can see it's tight, so I won't be putting my eyeshadow palette in here. Let's try the LVS pouch. I have this in monogram. It has that same gold keychain in the inside. I'm going to see if the palette and a lippy will fit, and there it is. So the palette and a lippy will fit enclosed just fine. Next, I have my cosmetic pouch and the Damier Ebene, and I'm sure everything is going to fit in there. Right now, I have it filled. Let me dump this out. All right, so there is the palette, the lip balm, the lipstick, and the refill. They all fit in there with room to spare on this one. Next, I want to try my favorite SLG, the Mini Pochette. This one, y'all, is a limited edition one in the Vernis monogram print. This one is quite structured. So let's see what we can get inside. So we have the palette and both lippies in there fitting comfortably. I probably could squeeze like a makeup wipe or some alcohol pads, a little perfume down in there. But I'm sure my canvas one will fit a lot more. Okay, guys, here is an overview of what I picked up from the Louis Vuitton Beauté collection. This collection is for the LV lovers that can appreciate makeup. Now, if you're just a makeup girly, this ain't the collection for you because you're going to be focused on the product itself and not the heritage and the design behind it. So, if that's the case for you, you're probably going to want to skip this. But if you're an LV lover, such as myself, and you've been collecting the brand for many, many years, then it's easy. You get it. And you will buy it and add it to your collection. And if you don't, then you won't. But it's for you and only you to decide. So let me know your thoughts, you guys, down below in the comment section, respectfully, of course. And if you picked up anything, please do share. I would love to hear from you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.